Nike, Konami, and SWOOSH unite to celebrate Yu-Gi-Oh's 30th anniversary with the Air Muscle 95 QS, released in two editions, the worldwide Joey and the Japan-exclusive Jonouchi. The latter highlights manga-inspired grayscale tones, linking back to the series' roots. Each pair arrives in collectible packaging, including playable Nike x Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG cards, the first ever official Konami collaboration of its kind. Blending anime nostalgia, footwear design, and trading card culture, this release pushes sneakers into a new realm of collectibles. Set for launch on September 12, 2025, at $210, the Jonouchi edition elevates the hype with exclusivity and storytelling-driven design. What makes the drop remarkable is not just the shoe itself but the fusion of sneaker innovation with pop culture heritage, delivering a multi-dimensional experience for fans of anime, sneakers, and trading card communities alike.